Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Xiaomi multifunctional rice cooker from the Xiaomi Home app. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to click on the rice cooker, and of course, as you guys can see, my device is already offline. So we're going to press the three buttons right here, three dots. Now click on delete device and click OK. As you guys can see, soon it should disappear like this, and now all that's left is a robot vacuum and the electric scooter. So that's how you guys can properly delete it from the app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.